Ever wondered where the railway coaches in India are manufactured? The answer lies in several production units and factories spread across the country, each playing a pivotal role in keeping the wheels of the Indian railways turning. One of the leading players in this field is the Integral Coach Factory, or ICF, situated in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. ICF holds the distinction of being one of the largest coach manufacturing units in India, producing a wide array of railway coaches that cater to various needs. Moving up north, we find the Rail Coach Factory in Kapurthala, Punjab. This factory is renowned for manufacturing modern passenger coaches, including the highly popular LHB, short for Linker Hofmann Bush coaches. These coaches, known for their safety and comfort, have become an essential part of the Indian railways. Then we have the Modern Coach Factory located in Bareli, Uttar Pradesh. This factory primarily focuses on manufacturing LHB coaches, contributing significantly to the Indian Railways fleet. Down south, the Rail Wheel Factory in Bangalore, Karnataka, plays a crucial role. This factory is responsible for manufacturing the wheels, axles and wheel sets that are used in railway coaches. It's these components that keep our trains moving smoothly on the tracks. These are just a few examples of the production units and factories involved in manufacturing railway coaches in India. Across the country, there are numerous other units and workshops contributing to this vital process. In summary, the production and maintenance of railway coaches in India is a vast operation, spread across multiple factories and units across the country. From the Integral Coach Factory in Chennai to the Rail Wheel Factory in Bangalore, each of these entities plays a critical role in maintaining the efficient functioning of the Indian Railways, one of the largest railway networks in the world. So the next time you board a train, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process and hard work that went into creating the coach you're traveling in. It's a testament to India's manufacturing prowess and the dedication of thousands of workers who keep the Indian Railways running smoothly.